talking about the design and having your events evolve, that this is, let's say, kind of our latest challenge. I mean, like we went through the honeymoon phase, as people like to call it, and then we were in production, and we were like, okay, but now I need to have everything evolve in a non-breaking way. How do I do that with my events, with my logic, etc.? And this was kind of a challenge. But I mean, as we were kind of used to working with Axon now, we quite rapidly converged to the right solution. And it was actually very close to what we were doing with our data streams. For instance, we are using Avro, and when you have an Avro model evolve, or even a protobuf model, you need to make sure that you're backward and forward compatible. Well, that's the same thing that you need to do with events. You need to make sure that when you do when you create like a new feature, maybe you want to add some field. Well, you need to ask yourself, how am I going to affect my events? What does it mean for the handlers that are currently reading them, and make sure that things are not going to break here. And here again, it's all about understanding the concepts, and because there is not one answer to this, like there are multiple answers.
Exactly.
And one of the answers is actually provided by the Axon framework. It's the Upcasters that allows you to mutate an event, let's say, at the time it's being read. So of course it has its limitations because, well, you cannot use some IO to, I don't know, go fetch some data somewhere else and feed it to your event. But it is a possibility that is nice when at some point you fail to bring some other principles that would facilitate your migration. There is always this solution there.